top note, so when I get up there, I'll repeat it and come back down. Let's try to see here. Well, let's put it in split mode, and let's put it in piano. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and. And we're back. Then we have the jazzers who like to change the rhythm on the scale. You know what they do? They swing it. Check it out.
I did it!
Do you have to swing it when you play it? No, but it sounds kind of cool. Now, for any of you that want to do an arpeggio today, good boy, this is very unusual. Check it out. Any jazz scale. Most of you are like, oh yeah, it's a do, mi, so, do thing again. Not in a jazz scale. This is a 7-note scale. This is not a major. This is not a minor. A jazz scale, if you didn't count your notes, only has 7. It's weird. It's not the standard thing we're used to. So if you play the first and the second, skip 3 and 4 of the original scale, and go to 5 and 6, that's your arpeggio. I underlined the key counts of the notes that make the arpeggio today. So it's 6W, 8W, 10W, and 12W. That's the arpeggio. The notes are A, C, E, and G. And some people say, whoa, it doesn't go to the octave? Not in a jazz scale. That's what makes the jazz chord. Right, so let me play the arpeggio for you. Check it out. These are hard to find. You don't have to do the arpeggio.